Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security. Let's tap on it. Then tap on encryption and credentials. And tap on clear credentials. It is at the very bottom of the list, and obviously this is the option we're looking for in this video. So let's tap and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.